So today I'm going to film a video. I know I look like I've been crying. I have been crying. Had a mental breakdown right before this video. But today I'm going to be filming a Jeffree Star mystery unboxing video. Make sure my information is on here somewhere. Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. This is the deluxe box. I'm very excited. I've seen photos of other people's boxes, but seriously, I didn't think anything of it. I'm kind of glad I got this right before Christmas because it was like Christmas 4 days early or 5 days early, 6 days early I think, because I'm filming this on the 19th. Or is today the 18th? No, today's the 19th. I'm filming this like 7 days before Christmas. I'm filming this a week before Christmas, so I'm very excited. So, I did order 2 things that aren't in the mystery box, so I'm going to show you them. I ordered 2 of his 5th year anniversary lipsticks. I ordered Mistletoe and Ho Ho Ho. I'll take them out of the packaging real quick so you can see. Classic white packaging, which I love. I already did open the box because I wanted to show my dad. So, and then Mistletoe. Mistletoe is really pretty. I cannot wait to wear that on Christmas Eve. I'm very excited. So, let's open her up and see what we have inside, even though I already know what's inside. I already opened it. So, the first thing we have is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics 5th year anniversary sweatshirt. It is a XXX. I can usually go up to a XX sweatshirts. I'm definitely gonna have to shrink this, but 200,000% will probably wear this. Probably tonight to dance, actually. No, we're having a Christmas thing. I can't. Whatever. Close enough. I got the stickers. I know there was controversy with the stickers. Honestly, these are very cute. Like, I'm definitely gonna use these. I'm probably gonna put these on something. But I like the stickers. Next is the Peppermint Frost Skin Frost Kit. I tried to ignore all pictures of this online, but it's kind of difficult. So, this is pretty much the only reason why I bought this. This thing was for this. Oh, these are beautiful. So we have Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. These are really pretty. Oh, if you guys are wondering why there's a giant mess over here, I cleaned my room and these are all the stuffies that I have owned in my entire, not my entire life, but these are a lot of stuffies that I had in my room in a pile over in this corner. This used to be really messy. This is basically now all stuffies that I'm going to put in bags and take out of the room. So my friends, if you're watching this and you're coming over on Sunday, this will be gone. I promise you this will be gone. They were just in another corner that I've cleaned, and I put them on my bed last night and took them off to sleep, so. But, yo, this smells like peppermint. That would make sense because it's peppermint. That was a stupid analogy. That was a stupid thing to say. Next we have Karma, which was from last year's holiday collection. I already have this one, so I'm giving this to my friend for Christmas. I already told her she was getting it. I sent her a picture of the one I have, and she really liked it, so she's getting this. So she's aware, I'm aware, I'm giving this to one of my friends, so that's good. Next one we have is Fudge Pop. This is from the summer collection. I think this is from the Thirsty collection, which came out last year. I guess summer this year was... Or was that this year? No, summer collection this year was Jawbreaker. But this is Fudge Pop. Oh, it's a metallic. I've never seen this in... Oh, that's beautiful! So this is why I get these, because I always get things I don't have, minus that one thing I already have. I then got a Supreme Frost and Frozen Peach. I think my other one is Money Honey. Yeah, I got Money Honey last time. Frozen Peach. I really like the Skin Frosts. Just in general, I like any of his Skin Frosts. I was gonna get the Extreme Frost, but I was like, I'm not spending 50 bucks when I don't get paid. I already spent $144 on this, so. I then got a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Metal Straw, which I actually... Oh! Straw and cleaning brush. I'm stupid, I don't know how to read. Here's the cleaning brush, which I already have one. I got one of his sets, so. And then the straw, which is just a little candy cane. Oh, gosh darn it, I don't want to drop that. I'm going to put that back in the box. I don't want that getting dirty. And last but not least, I got Androgyny. I saw some people getting thirsty. I was like, great, I'm gonna get thirsty. And then I opened this and I saw Androgyny. I was like, I don't have this one either. The only ones I have are Blue Blood and a Mini Controversy and Blood Sugar. So I have Blue Blood, Blood Sugar, and Mini Controversy. Those are the only Jeffree Star palettes that I own. / Shane. So this was very nice to get in my packaging. I would have been happy with Blue Blood, honestly. But I'm gonna do this so you guys don't see. But look how pretty this is. I think this is one of the first ones he ever came out with. If I'm being completely honest. I think it's one of the first ones he ever came out with. But anyways, the colors are Frosting, Safe Word, Charm, Deja Vu, Dominatrix, Androgyny, Fetish, Military, Poison, and Swallow. So very excited about this. I'm also very excited with the box. I mean, it was presented nicely. Yes, I had to wait a very long while for it, but it was so worth the wait. Like, I get he broke the internet. I get people were upset with him for the sticker thing. Honestly, the stickers are probably really cool. I like Blue Blood. That's cool. I like the Blend Bitch. I like Beauty Killer. I like the cherries. I like the Can't Relate. I like Frosty. I'm not gonna lie, I like them all. I'm probably gonna put them on like notebooks or something. Or probably put them on my door, maybe. Yeah, probably gonna put them on my door. But I like the stickers. I know people were very upset with the stickers because it was like misled and advertising. I'm like, girl, these stickers are the bomb, so I don't give a shit. I was kind of hoping I'd get these stickers because I kind of wanted them. The lipsticks, I'm glad I got them. I now have another gift to give my friend. And I got one that I don't have, which is Fudge Pop, which I've never seen in person, and I'm kind of glad I have it because I like browns. So that works out. I like getting Skin Frost. These are like my favorite things on the planet because I love highlighter. So all in all, if you don't have a Jeffree Star mystery box, you need to get one. Also, this hoodie is going to be like my life. Wish came out with a red one because I think he did, but I just didn't get it because, again, it sold out before I could. So, sad now. But yeah, very happy I got this. I'm very happy I got these two as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below what you want us next, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!